No one has told you this yet, but one president helped pull America back from the edge of economic collapse. By 1933, the Great Depression had devastated the United States. Millions of people were unemployed. Banks were failing. Families were losing their homes and savings. Businesses were shutting down, and many Americans felt there was no hope left. The economy wasn't just slowing down, it was breaking apart. Then Franklin D. Roosevelt became president and launched a bold plan called the New Deal. The government created massive jobs programs that hired millions of Americans to build roads, bridges, schools, parks, and other public projects. At the same time, Roosevelt introduced economic reforms to stabilize banks, protect savings, and restore confidence in the financial system. The lesson is simple. When facing a major crisis, focus on rebuilding confidence, creating opportunities, and solving problems through action rather than fear. Whether it's a country, a business, or your own life, progress often starts with taking practical steps forward. By following this mindset, you can turn setbacks into opportunities and recover faster when challenges seem overwhelming. That's exactly how America began its long journey out of the Great Depression. Follow for more fascinating history stories that reveal how a few critical decisions changed the world forever.